Just because my skin looks saggy don't mean I don't get that fatty watty. Just because I look like I'm about to croak don't mean I don't get that throaty throat. Just because my skin look dry and shriveled don't mean these balls don't get dribbled. I am the president of the United States of America. You fucking bitches is acting all hysterical. And when do I get my black card? Why do you niggas make it so hard? I gave you a black VP, a black Supreme Court justice. Niggas, for real, we need to discuss this. And I heard your concerns about reparations and building your figures, but haven't I done enough for you ungrateful niggas? And I can't help punk bitches want to bomb your schools. I don't make the rules. You see, y'all don't know what's required of a president. So I'm going to paint y'all a picture, make it more evident. Now, y'all elected me during a fucking pandemic. And I think I'm reaching my goddamn limit. 1 minute we got the virus secured, and the next minute we don't. And the subject of vaccines, I'm not speaking on it, I won't. You got the Republicans on my jock and interrupting my speeches, and the Democrats ain't pleased, and the gas price increases. And the earth is getting hotter and hotter by the day. These fucking journalists asking me what I got to say. If I wasn't in my right mind, I'd say let the shit burn. But then all the liberals would attack me with their concerns. I'm just trying to fix this grueling inflation. Bitches is always questioning my dedication. A nigga just trying to build back better. But Congress won't let America be great. They just won't let her. I just want to build back America. Bring unity back to America. Bring new jobs made in America. Fix the supply chain in America. Refund the police in America. Make child care more affordable in America. Cut the cost of medical drugs in America. Tax the rich and reward the poor in America. Make capitalism survive in America. Does saying all this shit get me reelected in America? And with all this pressure, nigga gotta figure out what to do with Russia. I'm throwing out sanctions like never before, but this whole diplomatic shit is becoming a chore. I told that nigga if he started a war, there'd be consequences. On God, I swore. I'm cutting off all Russian gas, energy, and oil, and freezing their bank accounts right here on this soil. Now things is gonna be high for just a little while. But it's Russia to blame. I swear the shit is vile. And don't ask me what to do about the rising cost in rent. That wasn't on the document my staff had sent. And as for why we're focusing on what's happening in Europe instead of what's happened in Africa and other poorer, blacker countries, I'm not prepared to comment on it. Let's skip the pleasantries. So, if you watching and wondering who dick they be riding, it be me, that nigga, your president, Joe Biden. And next time you hear from me, shit might just be the same. But put some motherfucking respect on my goddamn name.
So let me ask you, related to the 1619 Project, which I believe is deeply inaccurate and misleading. 1619 Project is closely intertwined with a movement that is called critical race theory. In your understanding, what does critical race theory mean? What is it?
Senator, my understanding is that critical race theory is it is an academic theory that is about the ways in which race interacts with various institutions.
Fuck that nigga named Lindsey Graham. Nigga was stalking me on the gram. Fuck that nigga named Mitch McConnell, looking like broke ass Rosie O'Donnell. Fuck that nigga named Ted Cruz, wearing them cheap ass raggedy ass shoes. Fuck that nigga named Josh Harley, looking like a sunken ass toy dolly. Fuck that nigga named Ben Sass, nasty ass hoe can kiss my ass. Fuck that nigga named Tom Tillis, looking like what you talking about Willis. Fuck that nigga named John Kennedy, ain't your hoe ass family history. Fuck that nigga named Richard Burr, tell your busted ass face Tim Burr. Cause all you bitches wanna fuck Tanji. They want a menage with my new body. If you wanna eat the pussy, say please. And if you wanna take a pic, say cheese. I want you on the floor on your knees. Chew that ass up, I wanna squeeze. Pussy flowing all in the breeze. Yeah, if you wanna take a pic, say cheese. These bitches whack. These bitches smoking that crack. These bitches wanna lick up in my butt crack. These bitches on me, they tryna break my back. These bitches on me, they tryna break my back. That's why all you bitches press, cause my hair is looking blessed. Bitches wanna start some mess, I'm the hoe you wanna test. Fuck I look like with these cases, staring at y'all dumbass faces. Don't you let my blazer fool you, I come find your ass and do you. So fuck that nigga named Lindsey Graham. Nigga get fucked by Uncle Sam. Fuck that nigga named Mitch McConnell, looking like budget ass Ronald McDonald. Fuck that nigga named Ted Cruz, with his bad breath smelling like booze. Fuck that nigga named Josh Harley, looking like a rotten ass hot tamale. Fuck that nigga named Ben Sass, nasty ass hoe ain't got no class. Fuck that nigga named Tom Tillis, looking like what you talking about Willis. Fuck that nigga named John Kennedy, ain't your hoe ass family history. Fuck that nigga named Richard Burr, tell your busted ass face Tim Burr. Tanji in the fucking court now, bitches. Y'all bitches tried me at that fucking trial, ho. But now the bitches in the court, ho. And I'm ready to do some damage, bitch. Fuck with it. It's Tanji, ho. Everybody wanna be Tanji, I'm the queen of Jumanji. I fucked a Kiwai Manji, I'm millennial Gandhi, not your millennial mammy. Got niggas waiting in Miami, basic ass hoes trying to stand me, but none of you hoes can stand me. Everybody wanna be Tanji, even though bitches don't like me. Bitches say I'm so icy, then they all trying to fight me. I'm the girl none of you can be, niggas is Madeline Candy. Niggas say you fuck my daddy, and I say, yeah, that's likely. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Bitches say Tanji original, bitch. Bitch keep running up on me with shit. Bitches is all up in my clique. I make these bitches have a fit. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Bitches say Tanji, she stay by her shit. And Tanji, she never ever gonna quit. And I don't give a fuck. Wish you hating hoes good luck. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Bitch say Tanji original, bitch. Bitch keep running up on me with shit. Your baby daddy took the hint. He need to come and pay my rent. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. Everybody wanna be Tanji. I am the truth. I am the judge. Call me Babe Ruth. You be the grudge. Bitches is all up in my clique. I make these bitches have a fit. Bitches say Tanji, she stay by her shit. And Tanji, she never ever about to quit. And I don't give a fuck with you hating hoes good luck. Bitches say Tanji original, bitch. Bitch keep running up on me with shit. Your baby daddy took
with the hint. He need to come and pay my rent.
Everybody wanna be Taji. Everybody wanna be Taji.
Get your baby daddy on the phone right
Everybody
fucking
wanna be
now.
Taji.
Right fucking
Everybody
now.
wanna be Taji. Everybody
This
wanna be
bitch nigga was
Taji.
in my
Everybody
fucking
wanna be
kitchen eating up
Taji.
all my goddamn
Everybody wanna
food,
be
using up all my
Taji.
goddamn food
Everybody
stamps,
wanna be
hoe.
Taji. Everybody
Bitch
wanna
over
be
here just
Taji.
trying to get their
Everybody wanna be
PhD.
Taji.
And your
Everybody
fucking
wanna
baby
be
daddy's
Taji.
in my fucking
Everybody
kitchen
wanna
using
be
up my food
Taji.
stamps, hoe.
Everybody wanna be Taji.
Get that
Everybody wanna
motherfucker
be
on the phone
Taji.
right now.
Everybody
Gas
wanna
too
be
fucking
Taji.
high for
Everybody
these
wanna
bum
be
niggas be
Taji.
up in my
Everybody
house
wanna
eating
be
my
Taji.
fucking food.
Everybody wanna be Taji.
Get that bitch on the
Everybody
phone
wanna
right
be
now. Why you
Taji.
waiting, bitch?
Everybody wanna be
Do I need to
Taji.
come call you?
Everybody
Do I
wanna
need to
be
come
Taji.
round there, hoe?
Everybody
Do I
wanna
need
be
to come
Taji.
round there?
Everybody wanna be Taji.
Bitch, you don't
Everybody
fucking know,
wanna be
hoe.
Taji.
This Taji,
Everybody
bitch.
wanna be
I'm a
Taji.
judge, hoe.
Everybody
I
wanna
will
be
fuck you
Taji.
up, though.
Everybody
You
wanna be
don't fucking know,
Taji.
bitch.